Hi everyone, I'm Vicki Aimers. I'm a textile artist and a book artist too, and an authorial illustrator. I'm based at Crowdy Studios, and today I've been doing a workshop, a drop-in workshop, based on the history of piecework and working with people to try and get stories of their memories of piecework. Piecework is about the units of labour rather than the time you spend on something. And I particularly fell in love with the photos of Lewis Hine, who was an American social reformer and photographer at the turn of the century. He did beautiful photographs of migrants coming into New York, and the sort of life that they had to take on by doing piecework. This was maybe making collars for shirts or cuffs or zips or posies to sell in other places, so they didn't get paid very much money, but they worked with their family. It started with, for me, the pandemic, and I was sort of really lost, and I was looking at other things to do, and I started to create these individual squares that were like a unit of labour for me. So they were all the same size, but they were all made out of old shirts and recycled materials, and everyone is different, and it's sort of a nod to how these people couldn't tell their story, and how they couldn't express their individuality. So for me, the square was their unit of labour, and the pieces of fabric was just sort of an expression of freedom. I made a little zine today, which is a tiny little handmade book to explain the project, and we've had packs that people have had some materials in, and there's a lovely picture inside of Lewis Hine's pieceworkers and some of my textiles that I've been doing. And I've been particularly interested in the tally mark, which is a unit, and it's a very ancient mark, and I've been adding a few of them to my stitch pieces as a sort of recognition of people spending hours and hours on something but not actually getting the recognition they deserve. So every pack had a little bit of plain fabric. Everybody had to just collage the fabric with some scraps, and then to tack it and make it really individual to themselves, adding a few buttons, adding some French knots or something, just to sort of bring their story onto the textiles. And everyone today has been sharing little memories that they've had, maybe that they didn't know they had before, about piecework, and if family members or ancestors have been involved in it. I did a sort of presentation pack to explain a little bit more with photographs, and little things to sort of gather ideas and memories. I don't know where I'm going to go with this, but I think just in the act of doing, making together, sharing stories, then some sort of like collective thing goes ahead. So thanks for joining us.